All right, boys and girls, the moment we've been waiting for, 2 months later. Let's see what Mikey Turbo has ordered. You're welcome. Oh, the moment we've all been waiting for. Alright guys, so this is the beginning, the first steps of removing my Cravenspeed Short Shifter, because I finally bit the bullet. Shifter. So, let's take apart this stock shifter. Well, let's take apart my Cravenspeed Short Shifter. Alright. Window switch is already out. That was too tight. This is all coming out. I'm so excited to get the shifter. Here we go. Make sure we save everything. We need, okay, where did I put it? I think we should. All right, now we take this off. And remember, always take your time whenever you're doing a job on the car. If it's doing the shifter, if it's changing the oil, if it's doing brakes, just take your time. Don't rush. All right. So now that's all loose. Beautiful. Now we have to open up the door, go underneath, pretty much go underneath the steering wheel. And there's a few screws down there that we have to take out. All right. I really hope you guys can see this, but this screw right here, we have to take this out so that this side panel can fully come out. So it's literally just one screw. Excuse my car, it's extremely messy right now. It's been really cold out here in New York. Today's the first beautiful day. All right, remember, save all this, that actually stays in there, so I can go like that. Now we have to go to the other side, and I believe that was the only screw. Yep, that stays. Okay, yep, we have to go to the other side of the car. All right, we are on the other side. Now this side panel looks like it's a little bit bigger. Still one screw. Does that fully come out? Yes, it does. There we go. Don't be afraid. Nothing's gonna break. It's meant to be pulled out like that. All right, now all that, since that's gone, we can actually pull this kind of up and out at the same time. Be very careful, you don't want to scratch anything. Just like that. So now everything is fully exposed. It is time to take this shifter off. Two. And there should be one more. Nope, I think that's it. Just three. Yeah, just 3 bolts, and that comes right off. But also remember, disconnect the cables. Should have did that first. It's okay though. So this comes. I should definitely do that first. Leave it in neutral. There you go. That comes right out. All right, that comes off. And now this bad boy should literally just slide right out. Come on. Just watch. This is all full of grease, so you want to be careful with that. Oh, I made a mistake. This also has to slide out. All right, guys, I got all the bolts out, 1, 2, and 3. And I also got the clips out. Clips, clamps that are over here. You have to pull them out. They come out fairly easily. There's one on this side and there's one on this side. There's two of them. Now this should literally pull right out. There we go. And then this slides up a little bit over the cables, and this comes out. There you go, boys and girls. This is the stock shifter housing paired with the Cravenspeed Short Shifter, which I love. This is a great short shifter, it really is. But let's just say it's time to take it to the next level. If you want to know what I got, stay tuned. Mikey Turbo, out.